Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. The implementation of new taxes is causing a debate among economists and policymakers. Now, as the government weighs how to plug a growing fiscal gap following Hurricane Melissa, questions are being raised about what new taxes could mean for economic growth. Ladry Thomas tells us more.
Debate has been growing over whether the imposition of new taxes would impact economic growth. This was Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on Thursday.
I don't believe that anyone could reasonably expect that we could present a budget without even a limited tax package. So we're not going to dwell on the taxation. It is something that, as I said, it is the last resort. We have gone 10 budgets without any net new taxes. And the reason for the taxation is not because of government profligacy, not because of wastage or bad policy. It is because of a super phenomenal event, the third most powerful hurricane that the earth has ever produced. It created more expenditure than we can accommodate in our general revenues.
Meanwhile, economist Keenan Faulkner weighed in.
Well, I didn't expect it in this initial phase of recovery, because usually what would have happened is that in the aftermath of a crisis, the fiscal policy direction would be counter-cyclical. So you would have some categories of taxes removed or reduced, and then you would now allow the economy to accelerate and be stimulated in terms of business activity and other economic activity, which would then translate into increased tax revenues.
However, he says if leveraged properly, taxes could help close the projected fiscal deficit, as the government remains opposed to borrowing to finance the entire gap. When asked about the impact on economic growth and a return to pre-Hurricane Melissa GDP levels, Mr. Faulkner says priority must be placed on accelerating growth as quickly as possible.
You don't want a situation where growth is now strained, because that causes long-term strain. The long